Hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Pothreddy. Boys, have you tried a blazer till now? If not, no, you have to. Nowadays things changed. People are wearing blazers to malls, movies, offices and whatnot, right? And interesting thing is the prices of the blazers are also slashed out to a drastical change. I mean prices are reduced to a greater extent. For example, the blazer that I am wearing right now, this is from Zara and I got it for 2200 rupees. It's a premium blazer. Its actual price is around 8k, but I waited 3.5 to 4 months till December end to get a sale from Zara and I got this. So there are ways to get good blazers for a very lesser price. And nowadays in the market we are getting blazers under 1000 rupees with very good quality and comfort. So guys, let us spend a bit more time and interest and also save some money for blazers for the next time. If you haven't tried, you should try it and you have to step up and improve your style game. So let's get started with the video. Okay, now let us see few of the different ways how you can style them, right? The first one is with t-shirts, solid t-shirts. Yes, blazers goes rocking with solid t-shirts. Why? Because blazers are not like suits. You can wear it for a casual occasion, right? That's the main advantage with a blazer. You can look stylish, classy and posh at the same time. So where you can wear this kind of outfit with a t-shirt and a blazer, you can, when I already mentioned, when you're going to a mall or a movie or a friend's night or even an office party which is not very formal and not too casual and something like that, right? So you can always try different combinations like this. Do try it out, guys. And one more important thing, be specific with solid tees when you are wearing a blazer, because if you have a wording or an animated picture printed on your t-shirt, it won't look that good. Stick to solid tees when you are layering with a blazer. So that's the first important thing. And when coming to the bottoms, right, like we can wear jeans, linen pants, chinos, formal pants, whatnot, anything goes fine with blazers. But I usually prefer jeans for any casual occasions. When you're going out, other than office work, you can stick to jeans because it looks a bit funky and casual too. So yeah, so do try and pair them with different things, but I would prefer jeans. And the next one, layer your blazer with a shirt. Yes, as I told you, for casual and informal occasions you can go with t-shirt. Now when you come to formal occasions, maybe your office presentations, maybe your office night outs, or when you going to a party to your colleague's place, and a lot of big people are going to come, so you have to present yourself in a much better way, in an elegant and stylish way, right? So that's important thing. Fashion and styling is all about building your confidence. How good you look is how confident you feel from inside. So stick to shirts when you're going to some formal events. Layer your blazer with polos. Polos are known for their classiness, right? If you have a solid polo and like even without a blazer, it gives a very classy vibe to your appearance. And when you pair it with a blazer, think about it, guys. You are going to look a lot more masculine, a lot more stylish and good. So the thing with polos is you should have a good structure if you have to wear it. You should have a good chest and the collarbone line should be good. So if you are a person who regularly goes to gym and build your body, polos with blazers are going to look awesome on you. Trust me. With a sweater, yes. See, like in places where the climatic conditions are a bit harsh, a bit cool, right? So you can obviously go with a sweater and a blazer. It gives an extra layer and also you look elegant and posh. Layer with a turtleneck. What is a turtleneck? The thing that I'm wearing right now is a turtleneck. turtlenecks are usually preferred at winter seasons where the climate is a bit harsh. The outfit that I'm wearing now would be a perfect solution for your winter climates, right? And also you look a lot posh and elegant with blazers. And one more small style tip. So if you are going out on a casual day out, right? So don't keep your blazers to your cuffs. You drag them a little more back so that it looks a bit more casual, just like how I am now. Coming to the last one, important stuff. How to buy a blazer. See, sunglasses, watches, suits and blazers are one-time things. If you invest some money, that's going to be there for years coming. So be a bit more calculated, a bit more thoughtful before buying something. I would prefer you guys could plan according to the budget, wait for some time for a good sale, and then buy some quality product instead of going to some cheaper product, because you can wear it occasionally, but it should be elegant and good to look. In upcoming videos, I'm going to show you guys few of the ways and tricks how to buy items or how to buy garments in sales and how to predict the prices and things like that. So let's discuss one video specifically for blazers, how to buy them. And if you are interested to know this topic, do let me know in the comments, and also follow me on my Instagram for style inspirations or outfit inspirations. Thank you so much. That's it for this video guys, and see you soon.